Hello, everyone. My name is Philip, and I am a Forex trader. Before I found the Forex Beginners Academy by Saturday, I was struggling to make consistent profit in the market. I had no idea how to read, analyze price chart, or how to use technical indicators like support, resistance, Fibonacci retracement, moving average, trend line, and channels. But after joining the academy, my trading has improved drastically. Saad Ali Trading has helped me understand how to read and analyze price chart on TradingView. And as a lot of it in massive knowledge that I've gained. For instance, Mr. Saad Ali taught us a lot of risk management, mindset, which is essential for successful trading. I'm also a part of the private student group where Saad Ali gave us feedback on markup, which is really helpful in improving our technical analysis. I will highly recommend this course to any aspiring forex trader who want to learn how to trade with confidence and consistency. Thanks to Mr. Saad Ali for offering such an awesome course. I'm so grateful. Thank you, sir.